Hello my dear students, how are you? Okay, you all are fit and fine, very good. So today children we are going to study our exercise 4.1 from question number 1 to 7. It's very easy, so let's move. So let's move to the exercise 4.1 of our chapter 4, that is rational numbers. The exercise is very easy. Let's see. Your question number 1, 2 and 3 are very easy. Just read question. Write down the numerator and denominator of each of the following rational numbers. Means just you have to write what is numerator and what is denominator. You know the upper number means, or you can say the number above the line is called as numerator and the number below the line is called as denominator. So as here first example given to you as 0/3. So what you will write? Numerator. You will write the full spelling. NR I have written for numerator. Numerator is equal to 0 and your denominator is what? 3. Okay. In the same way you can see one more example. Let's see -1/3. Okay. So you can see here your numerator is what? -1 and your denominator is what? 3. So in this way you have to simplify all the examples. Now next question number 2, you see which of the following are not rational number. Children remember, always read the heading carefully. See the question is which of the following are not rational numbers, means इसमें से कौन सा rational number नहीं है. So for that you must know the definition of the rational number. What is the definition? That a number which is written in the P by Q form where Q should not be equals to 0, means your denominator should not be 0, then it is a rational number. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 0 है तो वो आपका रैशनल नंबर नहीं है. So let's see which one is that. 3/2 is a rational number. 0/7 is also a rational number. -2 is also a rational number. Now see this 4/0. You can see here Q is equal to 0. So 4/0 is not a rational number and remaining are rational numbers. Okay, so that's why you must know the definitions. Now let's see question number 3. Write down the rational numbers whose numerator and denominator are as under. Means numerator and denominator you have given and you have to write what? It's rational numbers. As you can see the first, what is numerator? 3 and the denominator is -7. So what will be the rational number? You can write like this, that rational number is what? Numerator by denominator. So first one is 3 by -7. Second, read question carefully. You have given first denominator -4 and numerator -3. You know denominator we write below the line. So it will be what? Here -4 will be here and numerator will be -3. So minus of 3 by -4 is what? Your rational number. So according to question you have to write. See the third one. What is written? Numerator is equal to 15 -7. So you have to simplify. 15 -7 is equal to what? Whatever that you will write in the numerator, and denominator is what? 13 - 6. You simplify and write the rational number. Let's see the last example. Numerator is mentioned as 7 + 6 and denominator as 17 into -2. So let's simplify this. This you can write like this. Your numerator is 7 + 6 and your denominator is 17 into -2. So let's simplify. Just simplify. 7 according to the operation given. 7 + 6 is what? 13. Plus into minus is minus. 17 2s are 34. Remember, you must know the rules of the signs. So plus into minus is minus. 17 2s are 34. So in this way you can complete your question number 1, 2 and 3. Now let's today do the remaining questions. Means today we are studying only 4, 5, 6 and 7 questions. So let's see that. Question number 4. See, read question number 4. Question is, express -4 by -7 as a rational number with denominator -28. And again the question is, express -4 by -7 as a rational number with denominator 35. According to the question, it means in the denominator of this rational number you want minus 28 and second time you want 35. So as you can see, in the denominator of the rational number what is there? Minus 7. So what you will do, children, first you have to write the given rational number as it is given. What is the given rational number? Minus 4 by minus 7. Now again in the next step you write minus 4 by minus 7 as it is. Now you see the number is increasing in the denominator. At first it is minus 7 and now you want this as minus 28. So it means the number is increasing, and children, when the number is increasing, if we multiply the given number, okay, so when the number increases always when we multiply by any number. So by what you will multiply this minus 7? You will multiply this minus 7 by 4. You see, minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. You have to verify also whether you are getting according to the question or not. So remember, we have one rule that you have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number so that the given rational number remains unchanged. Okay, so this you have to remember. This property of rational number we have studied in the first lecture of this lesson. So now let us verify whatever we want we are getting or not. You want denominator as minus 28, minus sign was already there, it means you need to multiply by 4. You see, now let's simplify numerator and denominator. Here numerator is what? Minus into plus minus, 4 4s are 16, and here minus 7 into 4, that is minus 28. Remember, children, we will not cancel this minus minus, because according to the question what is there in the denominator, you want minus 28. Okay, let's see, the point will be more clear if we see the next example. See, remember here in all the examples this heading is related with the questions. Again, minus 4 by minus 7, this rational number. Now the denominator you want as 35, and here the denominator is what? Minus 7. So first you will write this rational number, given rational number as it is. Now again you can see the denominator is increasing. At first you have minus 7 and now it becomes 35, means you want 35. So remember, by what you will multiply? 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 7 5 ja. So here 5. So the number you are getting 7 5s are 35. But here it is positive and here you are getting negative. It means you have to take here minus 5. So now it becomes, you see, minus into minus become plus, 7 5s are 35. So by the same number you have to multiply in the numerator. Children, remember this. First you will write the number which either you want in numerator or denominator, wherever you want, first to satisfy that one, and then by the same you will multiply. Now you have to simplify this. Let's simplify. Minus 4 into minus is plus, so 5 4s are 20 upon minus into minus plus, 7 5s are 35. So we have expressed minus 4 by 7 as a rational number with denominator 25. Now let's move to the next example of question number 5. What is question number 5? Express 6 upon minus 11 as a rational number with numerator. Let's see the first example. Numerator you want minus 6. Okay, so again in the same way you have to write the given rational number as it is first. 6 upon minus 11. Now write it here as it is. Question is, now you want the numerator as minus 6, and in the numerator you have 6, means the number is already there, only you want the sign. So it means by what you will multiply in the numerator? By minus 1. Let's see whether it satisfies the given condition or not. 6 1 ja 6 and plus into minus 1. Yes. So by the same number you have to multiply in the denominator also, remember. And now just simplify, you will get here minus 6 and minus into minus plus, 11 ones are 11. Okay, let's see one more example. Here, see third example of your textbook, that is minus 24. See, the question is 6 by minus 11 as a rational number with numerator minus 24. Now you want the numerator as minus 24. So let's write the given rational number as it is first. Okay. Now numerator you have to change. So 24. So by what 6 will be multiplied so that you will get 24? That is what 6 4s are 24. Now you want it negative. So here it will be minus 4. And here also minus 4. Now just simplify. What is answer now? Minus 24 by minus into minus plus, 11 4s are 44. Just simplify. Okay. Now let's see question number 6. Here question number 6. What is that? Express minus 25 by 60 as a rational number whose denominator, DR means denominator, children, whose denominator is what now? Minus 12. Let's see this also. The given rational number, first you will write minus 25 by 60. Okay. Now see children, here the denominator is 60 and you want the denominator as minus 12. It means the number is decreasing from 60 to minus 12. It means what will be done here? Here you have to divide by the same non-zero number. Remember, when the number is decreasing, it means division is done there. When the number is increasing, it means multiplication is done there. So now this 60 you have to divide by minus 5. And here also you will divide by minus 5. Let's see. See, to get minus 12 as the denominator, we have to divide by the same divisor. And here what is that same divisor? That is minus 5. You see, when you divide 60 by 5, you know you will get 12. See, I will do that rough work also. See the rough work. When you divide 60 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5 1 0, 5 twos are 10. And the remainder is 0. So what you are getting? 12. So to get the number, that by what you will divide it, what you have to do, this given denominator you divide by this number, you will get the answer. Okay, so 60 when you divide by 12, you are getting what? 5. Sorry, 60 divided by, yes, 60 divided by 12 is 5. Now minus 25 by minus 5 is what? 5. When you divide 60 by 5, what you are getting here? 12, minus sign is there, and C you are getting the answer. Okay, understood? So when the number is decreasing, it means division is done, and that by what it is divided, that you have to find. And very simple way to find that number, see, you can do like this. This 60, no, your denominator, this you divide by the given which denominator you want. Now see, 12 5 is 60. So it means you have to divide by minus 5. Okay. Now let's see this example. Last one. What is that? Express 7 by minus 13 as a rational number with denominator 39. Now given rational number is 7 by minus 13. So it will be as it is first. Now denominator you want as 39. So denominator from 13 to 39, it is increasing. It means you have to multiply it. 13 1 is 13, 2 is 26, 3 is 39. So here it will be 3. But you want it positive and here it is negative. It means here minus 3 and here also you will multiply by minus 3. And let's simplify. Minus 21 by minus into minus h plus 13 3 is 39. See, you have to check at last whether the given condition satisfies or not. See, now numerator you want as 14 of what rational number? 7 by minus 13. So 7 by minus 13 you will write as it is. As numerator you want 14, it means the number is increasing. So 7 2s are 14, and here also you will multiply by the same number so that the given rational number remains unchanged. Now 7 2s are 14 and here minus 26. So I hope you understood all the examples what we have taken today. Okay, and remember this example. See here the denominator is decreasing from 60 to 12. It means in rough you divide this 60 by 12. Whatever the number you are getting, by that will be your same divisor. Okay, so I hope you understood whatever the topics we have taken today. Okay, work hard, practice more, everything will be easy. Thank you. Have a nice day.